Yeah, so I got another for the Wednesday mixture, nice little compilation. I've seen some different pictures, so I decided to put them together, some video clips and whatever. So yeah, hopefully this should be interesting. Make this a little bit more. Sorry if I can't add music in here because I'm worried about YouTube might put a copyright thing on my stuff, so I got to be careful. So I know there's a music. I mean, I don't have a music thing set up on my thing anyway. So it's interesting to see the different things that the love that other people like to film, and it's kind of interesting. Yeah, the first video here is about the Norfolk Southern here. It's a train. This is an old video called Westlaw.tv years back. And major during idiots that just don't pay heed to trains when they come to crossings. So it was on TV before and the internet has been bad train crash accident. Yikes.
Le lo